Oh, gross. Oh, okay.
Welcome back, Ace in Space. Today we're gonna make cupcake cones. You see? This is what we need: 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and we need 3 eggs.
How many eggs do we have so far?
3.
Well, we have 1 right there, but Hazel decided to put 2 in there already. So.
Yep.
Why are we doing this? Because you just turned how old?
5. Step 1: set your oven to 150 degrees.
That's 350 degrees, but okay.
350 degrees. Step 2: mix all your ingredients. Look at us, sprinkles in there. You gotta squeeze it so it tastes good.
Alright, so what are you doing now?
I'm getting the cake mix in.
Oh, up that way. Oh, gross. Move over your hands. Alright, got some in the box, some on your lap, and some in the bowl. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Now I'm gonna put the water in, guys. Now I'm gonna put the oil in.
Put that bad boy in there, yeah. There we go.
Now we mix it with this tiger.
Oh boy. Mix it with the charger. I'm not making an iPad.
Oh,
Okay.
I thought we were making an iPhone. Now we're gonna mix it up. Now I wanna eat it.
With the raw egg?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Look at that, guys.
Keep going, keep going. It's
Look
like
at that.
soup right now.
After you mix it up so good, you're gonna open it and
What is that?
okay, cupcake cones.
Cupcake cones. You mean
And
ice
you're
cream
gonna-
cones?
and then ice cream cones.
Yeah,
And
ice
you're
cream
gonna
cones.
do it. And you're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Get some of this,
Uh-huh.
and then pour it on.
Oh, excellent. So these are called, these are called like cupcake cones.
No, they're called falling cupcake cones.
Yeah,
Like this.
basically.
Now we're gonna put the ice cream cones in. These are very delicate, and this broke. Now we fill up on halfway.
Wait, you did all that fast?
Yeah.
I literally was just watching TV for 5 seconds.
And I was.
Wow, last one?
Yeah.
Alright.
If something gets in my hand, I don't care.
Yeah, I think you're kind of putting it on your hand on purpose, aren't you? Like, whoops, oh, got some cake mix on my hand. Guess I gotta eat it now. Oh, gross. Oh, okay, I'm gonna mark that one. All right, remember everyone, this section is the one we're not eating because Asa licked the entire. Oh, that is gross. I wonder how that's gonna cook. That's gonna cook all weird and uneven. Can you get back to the work, sir? Oh my gosh, please fill it up. All right, remember the messy one. This one with all the slop down the sides is yours.
Yeah.
I am not eating that right there. That is yours right there.
I challenge you to eat it.
Oh, gross, dude. All right.
Step 3. Bake for about 20 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes.
You got it. Timer for 20 minutes. And we're starting now.
Now.
By the way, you can have a bite of pizza. We will return after a short pizza break, okay guys? Alright, now we're going to check them out.
And oh yeah, these things looking good. So let me see the toothpick. You want to do it? Stand over there. And don't get too. Stick the toothpick in and pull it out.
Alright, came on.
Stick it in this one right here. Is there anything on the toothpick? Let's see the toothpick. Alright, let's pull it out. Where's yours? That ugly one. Oh, this one.
I'm going to put some icing on these bad boys.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see them?
Oh yeah.
And that's the one I like. Look at
That
it.
is the one you
Look
want.
at the side of it.
It looks like it hurts. It looks like it's in pain.
Why am I here?
That one looks like mostly icing.
There's icing.
Yeah. There you go. Alright, and then I'm not sure that you need to lick it after every single. Whoa! You got really good. I mean, you can see where you started off and how good you got at it.
Look at this one though.
I mean, that's like professional. And I love how some of these look like they have different hairstyles. Like
Donald Trump.
Cake news.
What do you add to these?
Sprinkles. Now we have a lot of sprinkles inside of this.
It's kind of like a makeover. Or a cake over.
Cake over? Seriously?
That's a lot.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Give us a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button while you have to try one of these.
That's really good.